An alignment tool is included with the standard and metric trunnion mount dyno and dyno kit. The tool is an aid for fastening the different mounts to be as parallel as possible. The tool is used after the tower and the lower pin mount have been installed as parallel as possible to the base plate edges. You can reference the Shock Dyno product guide on the support page for dimensions to the base plate's edges. For pin-to-pin arrangement, loosely install the upper mount followed by installing the single post. Once in place, you can torque the upper mount securely. Some finesse and readjusting may be necessary to slide the post off. Repeat the similar operation when installing the trunnion mount. While one could use a shock to align the pin-to-pin mount if the alignment tool is lost, using a trunnion shock to align the mount must be done with extreme care as not to damage the trunnion eyelet threads.